Good morning, Team Iceland. Okay, you guys, I am so excited because today I have been invited by the Sky Lagoon to check out their brand new facility. So this is kind of a sneak peek opening before the big proper launch, and I have been invited as a guest to come check out their brand new lagoon. I've seen photos on their website. It looks absolutely beautiful, and it's located just outside of Reykjavik, so I know that this is going to be a hot spot. I know that you guys are going to want to put this on your itinerary because who doesn't love a hot spring, am I right? But secondly, it's so conveniently located just outside the city. And what makes this spa experience unique is that they have a 7-step program. So rather than just wading in waters for an hour or so, you actually go through this step-by-step process. We're going to check it all out today, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along for the ride. So I'm going to show you everything about the lagoon, and it looks like a perfect day to do it. The weather is cooperating quite nicely, so let's go check it out. Alright, I'm done at the Sky Lagoon. I was there for 3 hours. I am very happy. What an amazing experience. Oh man. Way better than I expected. And not that I didn't expect it to be amazing, but it just was really, really lovely. I thought it was so nice having the steps that you could go and kind of move around rather than just sitting in hot water for however long, but I never felt rushed to go from one step to the other, so it was just really enjoyable. The lagoon itself is more spacious than I expected as well, so even if there were a lot of people there, I don't think it would feel too crowded because there are plenty of little nooks and benches to hang out. There's the bar area, so and then people are working their way through the step. I loved that while you're in the lagoon, you get a panoramic view in front of you. You can actually see where the volcano is erupting. You can see the president's house. You can see downtown Reykjavik. You can see all the way to Snæfellsjökull. the glacier. Just incredible. Couple of details, because I know you guys are always wondering about this stuff. The showering facilities are really nice. I had the Sky Pass, so that includes private changing facilities and private showers. But then there is the regular pass as well. There is a swim up bar, so it links your credit card to your wristband, and so you can purchase anything that you would like from the bar. There are people that are working there that are kind of guiding you through the process. It's very straightforward, but if you get lost or you have a question, then there are people there that are helping. I think my favorite step is the steam room. So after you do the body scrub, then you sit in the steam room and actually like absorbs the salt scrub into your body, and you feel so silky afterwards. And it's just really, really nice to sit in there in the hot steam. But of course, the big glass view inside the sauna is incredible. The last thing that I did before I left was stopped at the bar and restaurant inside. So they have a few different food options, and then bar and coffees, and they even have some snacks as well. And it's just really nice to kind of like grab something quick and keep going on your way. Overall, loved my experience at the Sky Lagoon. Highly recommend it if you guys are in Reykjavik. It only has to take up an hour or two of your time, or you can spend a half a day there easily. So I wanted to say thank you to the Sky Lagoon for having me at your beautiful spot. It was such an honor to help you launch the brand new facility, and I know that so many travelers are going to want to go. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy planning.